starry sky dimmed by fiery hues. My white dress will in midnight's view of the world reborn, begun anew. 2,000 years of twin love, and she looked beautiful as ever before, as she pushed me down into the wall. What a deep below my clothes were torn. She held me down under the point. Fireworks filled